I'm sorry. Wi-Fi and all that stuff is just crazy. Um, I was on data because I thought Wi-Fi is bad in our city, especially in my area. Uh, well, we had Tanay um, from Siliguri, who was fantastic. Uh, Gatak. Okay, so I'm back again. Let me bring in Nikhil. Let me bring in uh, Nikhil. I've pinged you. Are you ready to come on live with me? Hi, Nikhil. What's up?
Hi, it's so good to see you here.
Come on, Nikhil. Play me some stuff. Guitar हाथ में ही है. Very good.
Second, uh, I really want to first hold on. I just want to thank you for taking me live. Wow.
Come on. Play some stuff. Stop being formal, Nikhil. Tell me one thing. When you sleep with the guitar only. Like you have your guitar next to you on your bed when you crash out. You do, right?
I do.
That's it. Don't ever lose that. Okay, come on, Nikhil. Let's do it.
I will just play something I just wrote like a couple of days ago.
Gatak. Okay, come on.
Can you hear?
What is this? Yeah, Nikhil, you want to tell me what this is?
I don't know, sir. I was just messing around and it just came up with something like that.
You know, the first two bars sound like Azma Lux chord changes.
Oh, really?
The music, the interlude, the second interlude, Azma Lux जो था,
Yeah.
वो ऐसे ही कुछ चालू होता है. Yeah.
Sir, I just want one huge, like it's like a fanboy moment for me right now. And I mean, I really want you to sing Malik Mere. I mean, maybe I can play along with you.
Oh, I've done so many times. So I'll do it again. Oh, but we won't be able to play because there's going to be a crazy lag. You know.
Yeah.
सारी रात मैं करता रहा तेरे वादे महफूज हूँ तेरी राह में करना हिफाज़ते मैं मुरीद हूँ खादिम तेरा मैंने की है खता थोड़ा खफा अब दे दे शिफा मालिक मेरे मालिक मेरे तेरे बंदे हैं कर नजरे करम मालिक मेरे मालिक मेरे तेरे बंदे हैं कर नजरे करम. I'm going to do a live session of Malik Mere very soon in this week. Unfortunately, I was supposed to do it on 2nd or 3rd of June, but I lost a very, very dear friend of mine. And believe me, we all know that we lost a really, really incredible, composer and a really dear friend, brother, Wajid. And I was so disturbed. I mean, I'm honestly, not that I'm feeling better now, but, I'm trying to feel positive and trying to get out of this. But this was a really. But I will, Nikhil. I know you've been pushing me, and I'll definitely do a live session. I was actually going to do a video of Malik Mere and post it, but I think I'll do a live session. That way, there's more interaction and some question answers. Thank you for coming on, Nikhil. I'm going to invite some more people. Okay, buddy. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye. All right. Let's get some more people. Okay, who do we have? Shivansh. Okay, add Shivansh, amazing singer. Let me see. Adit, where is Shivansh? I can't see him. Let's get Aditya Kalve. Okay. Aditya Kalve is joining us. There he is.
Hello.
Hi, Aditya.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi, sir. I
Okay.
did not expect you to,
I
pick
didn't
my
expect
call.
either. मैं भी
Yeah,
expect
yeah,
नहीं
yeah.
कर रहा.
How are you, sir?
I'm not good.
Why?
Just kidding. I'm fine. अरे वाह.
Do you want to hear my original, sir?
I want to hear it. Everybody wants to hear.
Okay, just 1 second.
तब तक अब मैं okay.
I wrote this song 2-3 months back. It's called Jaan Bujhkar. So wrote it when I was going through a lot of tough times. So it has that essence in
And
it. So
y'all
I
are
hope you
right
like
now.
it.
Are you fine right now? Delhi में cases
I'm
बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं, I heard.
Yeah, I'm fine. We are fine right now. We just have to take extra care, but everything is going on. Mom always takes care of that. We spend 1 hour in shower every time we come back home.
Okay, I
Yeah.
don't want to know about your showers. Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah.
As long as you shower your
So
music, it's fine.
I recently sang that Saiya song. That I just want to tell you one thing. That Saiya helped me through the most difficult time of my life, and I listened to that song like 500 times in one day, and it was just something magical about it that just took me away from reality. And just I deeply want to thank you for making that song. Thank you.
Oh, Mere Saiya, yes.
Yeah.
If you like that song, then why don't you sing that song? But no,
Yeah, I'll
sing the
sing it.
original. Sing the
I'll
original.
sing the way. It's called Jaan Bujhkar. I'm audible, right?
Yeah, very well.
आंखें जानबूझकर बंद कर लेता हूँ आजकल चादर सर के ऊपर ज़्यादा ओढ़ता हूँ आजकल क्योंकि बाहर तो अंधेरा है
क्या बात है.
माने क्यों सभी का सवेरा है जाने क्यों वो फिर चले आए और ये चादर फिसल जाए भोर है दिल में मेरे क्यों ये शोर है बसा सही गलत का इतना क्यों कम फासला झूठे सितारे थे जिनके तले हम चले दिन होते ही जो मिट गए कल था मेरा जाए फिर कभी माना ये बातें थोड़ी मतलबी मैं दुबा जानबूझ कर बंद कर लेता हूँ आजकल बीती यादों के वही मंजर बारहा ओढ़ता हूँ आजकल क्योंकि बाहर तो अंधेरा है माने क्यों सभी का सवेरा है,
क्या बात है, वाह वाह वाह।
जाने क्यों वो फिर चले आए, और ये चादर फिसल जाए, और ये चादर फिसल जाए, और ये चादर फिसल जाए।
Wow, 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 wow. What a beautiful song. What incredible
Thank you so
singing.
much, sir. Yeah.
Tell me a little bit more about you.
Yeah, actually, I have been learning classical music since I was 3 years old.
Tell
My
everyone
mother
your
was
name
teaching.
again. Your name again,
My name
please.
is Aditya Kalwe. I am from Delhi, and I'm a musician. I'm currently I'm pursuing engineering last year, but that's not really something I want to do. I never wanted to do it, but I just got pushed into it. But yeah, I've been making a lot of music for the last 3 years, writing a lot of songs. Look, I sleep with my guitar every day. Look, my guitar is here and my piano is here. My setup is here, and just live in music. And it would be great if I could ever live up to look, my standards and actually work and learn under you guys. And you are like my dreams, your
No, no, no.
idol.
Listen,
Yeah,
your music, you sound great, first of all. You have a
thank
lovely
you.
voice. You have
Thank you
great
so much.
feel. And your composition is fantastic. गाना लिखा किसने है? Who
मैंने
wrote this song? Are you
yeah,
serious?
yeah,
Great words. बहुत अच्छा
yeah,
लिखते हो.
actually, I wrote it when I was going through my very harsh, brutal matlab, heartbreak, and it sounds cliche, but isn't life just cliche? Everything is cliche, but
Nothing
until
is
it happens
cliche.
to you, nothing is cliche.
You
Exactly,
become that artist only after a heartbreak.
exactly. No, no, I completely agree with you. There was a
Mostly,
different feel
mostly.
that came into my songs after, feeling actually what heartbreaks really felt like. It sounds really
So
cliche, but
much.
it's not really cliche. Yeah.
It's not a cliche at all. No, no, it's
No,
fine.
no, no.
You know,
I write a lot of songs, so yeah, I'm currently working on my first album,
my
and
dear friend
yeah,
Ruchira from New York says you're a beautiful singer and a great voice and a very good
thank you
song.
so much. It
So
really
many
means a lot.
amazing comments. So many amazing comments you have.
Thank you
Uh,
so much, Salim,
my
sir.
friend Ghatak, who's a fantastic engineer, says Mumbai Aja Bhai. Mumbai Aja.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, sure, sir.
So a
It
lot
was
of
a
people.
pleasure meeting you, sir.
This is so
I
good, Aditya. I'm so glad that you came
I
on
wish
this.
I could sing a couple of more singles for you, but I know it's everyone needs to get a chance.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it'd be nice. This is a nice mehfil, Instagram mehfil.
Do you
I'm gonna
want to
call it.
listen one more song?
Yeah, I would love to. Chalo sunao. I mean, I
Okay.
really love your voice.
Okay, sure. Then
But देखो
this
11
song is
11
called
5 हुई है मैं 11:30 बजे it's 11:06 right now in India. I'm going to stop at 11:30. I have to. So
Okay.
आप छोटा सा
So
जल्दी से कर
shall
दो.
I?
जल्दी
Okay,
से
this
सुनो.
is called Hami. This is called that feeling when there is an unsaid thing between two people in the start of a relation when you don't really talk but you हामी में हामी मिलाने वाली बात. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ समझ गया.
Okay, just one second. नजरें गिरी जब तेरी मेरे बाजुओं में वो पहली दफा खो गए हम तो सोचते रहे बस जब कहा आज से हम तेरे लफ्जों से होती है कहाँ बातें उसकी अनोखी है ये तरकीबें हामी रे हामी तेरी हामी रे हामी हामी रे हामी तेरी हामी रे हामी कर गई बातें बेजुबानी कर गई बातें बेजुबानी हामी रे हामी तेरी हामी रे हामी. Okay, I'll just sing the
Wow.
Mukhda right now only. Just
I can really say
Yeah.
you have an army of songs there. Just kidding.
yeah, I constantly write songs. Yeah, man.
That's
Every day.
awesome.
Yeah. Just
It
working on
was
my skills.
great.
Yeah.
Adi, I know I know that our paths will cross one day, inshallah, very soon.
Okay, sir.
It's great. It's really nice to have
That's
you.
all I needed to hear. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
get back to work now. Yeah. Okay.
Awesome, man. It's great to
Okay.
see you here. Okay.
Okay,
Thanks.
sir. Take care. Okay.
All right. Okay.
See you,
thanks.
sir.
Thank
Stay
you.
safe.
You too. I'm going to quickly invite someone else. There are so many incredible people out here. Oh my God, my dear friend Rashmeet is here. Let me see if Rashmeet can come on. Rash meet. You got to meet Rash. Rash!
Sir, how are you?
यार आपने कुछ एक नया कवर निकाला इंस्टाग्राम पे, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे यार.
Thank you so much.
Loved it. Very cool.
Much. Thank you so much.
Very different Rashmeet. But I mean, I know that Rashmeet, but you know, it's nice that your
I've
audience
been
gets to know.
experimenting with a lot of stuff, R&B. I've been listening to a lot of stuff. Very important. So,
Yeah.
so why not?
Yeah. Are you playing crazy chords? Like, you know, are you playing some cool chords?
Teach me something.
Come on, play, sing. Let's hear you sing.
Okay, what do you want me to sing? I can sing Kaha or I can sing some Bulle Shah's poetry.
जो मर्जी.
Kaha is also Bulle Shah's poetry. Kaha आपने सुना है तो मैं वो सुना देती हूँ.
कहाँ सुना था? अब सुना.
कहाँ सुना? हाँ जी.
कहाँ सुना माफ. आइए.
सबको कहा सुना माफ जी. कहाँ से आया कहाँ है जाना, कहाँ से आया कहाँ है जाना, बता अपना ठिकाना, बता अपना ठिकाना, कहाँ से आया कहाँ है जाना, जिस दरगाह तू मान करे तेरे साथ ही वो जाना, जिस दरगाह तू मान करे ही वो जाना, कहाँ से आया कहाँ है जाना, शहर खामोशा चल वसी जिथे मुलक समाना, शहर खामोशा दे चल वसी जिथे मुलक समाना, धर्म जात की बात करे क्यों, धर्म जात की बात करे क्यों, जब खुद से अनजाना, अपना ठिकाना, कहाँ से आया कहाँ है जाना.
क्या बात है. Rashmeet, you always bring so much of love and happiness to every live and every time you sing. It's so nice. You know, and what I like about you is that you always keep doing new things and you keep making new songs. You know, it's just you're a hustler, always pushing.
Thank you so much,
That's
sir. And
awesome.
our support means a lot, means the world to me. Every time you support
You're a true
every person so gracefully.
Always.
That's yeah. Thank you so much.
That's very kind of you. रश्मीत, बहुत लोग यहाँ पे मुझे कह रहे कि आप तो रश्मीत को जानती हो, तो क्यों आप उसको लाइव बुला रहे हो. तो मैं उन लोगों को बोलना चाहता हूँ,
some people are saying that, like, that the people who I know, I like to call them more because I know that their music sounds good. We are in touch because, I know that they have something amazing always coming up. So this live session is always positivity and always love. No negative comments. Keep all your negativity home. All right. I'm going to thank you, Rashmeet. I'm going to bring in someone else. Okay. Take care of yourself. Please, nikalna mat. Mumbai is in a bad shape. All right.
This is Mandir. Bye bye.
Absolutely. Take care.
Take care.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. We are going to bring in Darshan Doshi, the incredible, fantastic, amazing drummer is here. How do I call Scarlett? I can't see your... Okay. I'm going to go live with Scarlett now. And then Shivansh, you're next. And then some more people. Yeah, hopefully.
Hello.
Hi, Scarlett. How are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Well, virtually meet you.
Virtually
Where do you
meet
stay?
you, yeah. I'm from Bombay, and my name is Manuni actually. Scarlet Victim is just an Instagram name per se.
Okay. Okay.
So, yeah. I also see my friend Mohit in the comments, Mohit Bharti. I think.
मोहित भारती को लेते ना
No.
उसको लेते हैं अभी मोहित भी रेडी ये नया गाना उसने जो किया है वो कुछ
He's incredible.
मोहित ने कुछ एक नया कुछ कवर किया है ना एक हिंदी फिल्म सॉन्ग किया है वो करना पड़ेगा Mohit, please make your instrument ready, whether it's a piano or a guitar, because we want to hear them with chords live here. Okay, Scarlett, over to you.
Yes, so I'm principally a Western vocalist, but I think I'll do Maya Maya by from the movie Guru. Works? Yeah. All right.
Whatever works. Music works. Let's go.
तू नीला समंदर है तू नीला समंदर है मैं रेत का साहिर हो मैं रेत का साहिर हो आगोश में ले ले मेरे दिल से प्यासी हूँ एक सौदा रात का एक कौड़ी चांद की चाहे तो चूम ले ये तू तोड़ी चांद की एक सौदा रात का एक कौड़ी चांद की चाहे तो चूम ले ये तू कौड़ी चांद की एक चांद की कश्ती में हर पार उतरना है तू हल्के हल्के खेना दरिया आ चुके माया माया गुलाबी तारे चले सारे चन माया माया चश्मा के दर्दों के मारे चले माया माया ale 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 माया माया ale 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 सीने मेरे उठता है धुआं माया 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 दीवार पे क्या लिखता है धुआं माय माय माया अरे 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 माय माय माया अरे 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 अरे
Who do you listen to, Scarlett? Apart from, I want to first tell you one thing, that please change your Instagram name to your real name. You have such a beautiful name, Mononi. Why you want to put it as Scarlett? No, I can't remember because I've always seen Scarlett. Now listen, Scarlet Victim. Who do you listen to?
Yes.
Who do you listen to? What are your influences?
So I grew up listening, and really I consider Demi Lovato to be my vocal influence per se. But I've also grown up listening to, or rather, even now listen to a lot of R&B. So I listen to Alicia Keys and Beyonce and those influences massively, and then Chaka Khan and stuff like that as well.
Course. Oh wow!
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I wish you all the best, Khaled, and hopefully, you know,
Thank you
since you're
so
in
much.
Bombay, we should, you know, our paths will cross one day, hopefully, inshallah.
Hopefully. I'm really glad. Thank you so much for adding me. It
Oh,
means a
come
lot.
on. My pleasure. I'm going to say thank you to you, and I'm going to quickly add Shivansh. Hey, Shivansh, kahan par ho aap? Let me see if I can get you. Shivansh, if you don't mind, can you please send me a quick hi, because यहाँ पे इतने लोग हैं. Okay, let me see. All right, let me see if I can find Shivansh. But if you can tell me a quick hi, then I can bring you in. The list is quite long out here. It's going to take me time. Shivansh. Okay, I got you, Shivansh. Okay, there you go. All right, Mohit, you're next.
हाय सर, हेलो।
कैसे हो शिवांश?
एकदम बढ़िया सर, एकदम बढ़िया। आप बताएं कैसे?
Where are you from?
सर, आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली।
From Delhi. Okay.
I am from Delhi, and I just want to tell you that I sort of have learned music after listening your songs. Like, of course, I've been trained into classical and all, but you know, there are always artists you inspire from, and your songwriting. So I write
Thank you.
songs.
Thank you. Oh,
And
wow. Beautiful.
जो एक जॉनर डेवलप होता है सर, जो एक अंदाज डेवलप होता है,
क्या बात?
उसमें काफी हद तक सर आपके गानों का मतलब
बहुत
अली मौला इज अ प्रेयर फॉर मी। अभी वाजिद सर के डेथ के बाद, एंड इट्स जस्ट अ पर्सनल स्टोरी में, माय दादू पास्ड अवे लाइक 5 years ago। सर, उस गाने ने जितनी मेरे को हिम्मत दी है, किसी गाने ने।
गाना
So,
हिम्मत से ही शुरू होता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर। So I think that's a prayer I just want to sing in front of you, and then probably I can sing a bit of my original. It's for Wajid sir, it's for every departed soul, with all the times that are, you know,
Making me emotional right now.
every unfortunate thing happening. I think all of us need this.
Go for it.
हिम्मत अता करो ओ मददगार मौला, अली मौला, ओ मौला, अली मौला, अली मौला। आप ही हो कुव्वते परवरदिगार मौला, अली मौला, अली मौला, अली मौला, अली मौला। ओ शाह मर्दा शेर अज़दा जाफदा तुम मौला, अली मौला, अली मौला, अली मौला। ओ मौला, अली मौला, अली मौला। हिम्मत अता करो ओ मददगार मौला, 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 मौला।
क्या बात है यार, वाह 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 शिवांश, सो लवली। माहौल बना दिया आपने, बहुत बहुत सही माहौल बना दिया। तुम म्यूजिक ही करते हो फुल टाइम? यू डू म्यूजिक ओनली ऑल?
सर, आई एम अ मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट, but I'm in my final year. I started a podcast, I started a production house. तो वहाँ पे like जो भी आर्टिस्ट है उनसे बात करना, खुद गाने गाना, गाने बनाना। I'm trying to get into this.
Well, I wish you all the best, Shivansh. This is so
सर, मैं
inspiring.
15 और सेकंड या 20 और सेकंड लेके आपको बस एक अपने गाने का हुक सुनाना चाहता हूँ।
हाँ, सुनाइए सुनाइए। अपने गाना पहले सुनाना था यार। सुनाइए।
ठीक है सर, ये गाना कहीं रिलीज नहीं हुआ है, and I'm singing for the first time online.
Oh wow.
So रश्मीत जी ने जो जोग में गाना गाया, उसकी वजह से मुझे गाने का एक बिल्कुल माहौल बना। So this is called ये पता नहीं, मतलब सही में कुछ पता ही नहीं था जब ये लिखा था। So खुद लिखा है और खुद बनाया है। This was in जोग। कुछ तो है खोया खोया सा अंदर, एक खोखलापन। कहाँ जाऊं, क्या ढूंढूं, क्या ढूंढना है ये पता नहीं। कुछ तो है खोया खोया सा अंदर एक खोखलापन, कहाँ जाऊं क्या ढूंढना है ये पता नहीं, सपने अधूरे है जिंदगी है पूरी, जिंदगी अच्छी चल रही फिर भी लगे अधूरी, सपने अधूरे हैं जिंदगी है पूरी, जिंदगी अच्छी चल रही फिर भी लगे अधूरी, अपने तो कहते हैं तू मांग जो मांगना चाहता है, अपने तो कहते हैं तू मांग जो मांगना चाहता है, पर मांग क्या उनसे ये पता नहीं, कुछ तो है खोया खोया सा अंदर एक खोखलापन, कहाँ जाऊं क्या ढूंढना है ये पता
बहुत
This is
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है यार। मैं आपको एक चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ, ये राग बेस्ड गाने जो है ना वो बड़ा असर रखते हैं। दे गो ऑन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, दे बिकम टाइमलेस because they have such an amazing because they are Indian classical. It has the shades of Indian classical. Any kind of classical music, whether it's Western
बिल्कुल सर।
classical or Indian classical, always makes it timeless. ये composition style जो है ना, रागों को लेकर उसके ऊपर बंदिश कंपोज करना, it's a beautiful thing. Keep doing it. It's an amazing thing. I mean, I
Thank you so
always
much, sir. This
even
means
like
a lot.
trust me, when I made Ali Maula, when I started making Ali Maula, at that time I was learning from Ustad Sultan Khan Sahab, and I was so he had played Charu Keshi when I was with him in his home, and he had played Charu Keshi ka, and that left such an incredible thing in my it left an impact in me, and I was like I could not sleep that whole night, and that's the time I kind of thought about this song.
Sir, Charu Keshi, Jog, like when I heard
Yeah.
Chinere Mora Chain,
Chinere
I
Mora
was like, how can Indian classical be made into a song like this? And that is when I was like, no, I mean, from songs as simple, I was listening to my Spotify and I found this song called Aulia. Aulia mere rasta de. And I was so amazed by the simplicity of that song.
Yeah,
And I was like, this is what I want to achieve.
but
Knowing
simplicity
classical
is
and
the
at the
most,
same time.
to get simplicity out of your composition is sometimes the most difficult thing, because when you know music, you're always exploring in so many different genres that connect to your heart. Sometimes happens to only simplicity, mostly happens to simplicity. And always
Right.
remember, Indian classical based rag goes a long way in terms of composition. ये आपने जो जोग में बनाया है ना, बहुत सुंदर है. Please make another one in another rag like that. It'll really go a long.
For sure, sir. आप ऐसी लाइव करते रहो, मैं हर राग में आपको गाने
मैं
सुनाते
सोच रहा हूँ मैं हर मंडे को अभी एक इंस्टा महफिल करके मैं कुछ चालू कर रहा हूँ. चलो, I'll see you, Shivansh.
जी सर, ठीक है.
Alright.
I'll leave, sir. There are a lot of people there.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right. So that was Shivansh. I'm going to bring in Mohit very quickly. Let me see if he's around. There he is. He's my first person. Mohit is a fantastic singer, producer. He's the son of a very, very... Mohit, let me introduce you. Mohit lives in Boston right now. Am I right?
Yes, sir. मैं अभी उठा हूँ. Thank you so much for putting me on the spot.
Yeah. आवाज में वो खरच सुनाई दे रही है. It's good. It's all good. मोहित मिस्टर रोशन भारती के सुपुत्र है और बहुत ही कमाल, उनके फादर भी बहुत ही कमाल के सिंगर हैं. उनके फादर तो बहुत माशाल्लाह बहुत ही कमाल है. But मोहित भी he's very, very incredible. He's an amazing singer, producer, multi-instrumentalist, right?
नहीं. सुना.
और हाल ही में आपने जो वो कौन सा गाना था यार? I kind of missed it. I'm going to share it. Yeah, do it.
आज मौसम
बड़ा, और मौसम सही में बड़ा बेईमान है. It's beautiful. मौसम बड़ा awesome है.
मौसम बड़ा awesome. I'll try to do it the same way, but every time I do it would be different.
No problem.
So. आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है। आज मौसम आने वाला कोई तूफान है, तूफान है। आज मौसम बेईमान है, बड़ा बेईमान है। आज मौसम बेईमान मौसम।
Yeah. So what key did you start in?
I started in so मैं transpose करके बजा रहा हूँ अभी की. I think I'm playing E.
Okay. So you started in E. And you ended it on? Was it?
I ended it on the 6th major.
Huh?
6th major. So it'll be C sharp major.
You ended on
But
C sharp
I'm doing a
major.
gradient voicing. So I'm doing C sharp in the bass.
Oh yeah.
पता है
That's
सारा
cool.
आपको?
नहीं मैं सुन के कर रहा हूँ. मुझे पता कुछ नहीं है. मैं
Sir,
म्यूजिक
मैं
सीख
आपको
रहा हूँ. मैं आपकी तरह म्यूजिक सीख रहा हूँ. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता है. हम लोग सब सीख रहे हैं.
मैं अभी उठाऊं और मैंने
जिस दिन आपने सोचा कि आपको आ गया ना म्यूजिक, उस दिन खत्म हो जाएगा. It will be the end.
Thank you,
Right?
sir.
But
मैंने
वही
आपका गाना सुना सर आज सुबह.
कौन सा?
आज उठते ही मेरे को वो गाना दिमाग में बज रहा था.
Your voice is cutting off. Movie that.
प्यासे तड़प रहे हैं साहिल
Oh, खुदाया वे.
प्यासे तड़प रहे. क्या कंपोज किया है आपने सर?
हो गया. बस हो गया. सुनो मोहित, यहाँ पर बहुत लोग हैं, लेकिन मैं it's 11:30. I had to go somewhere. I have a meeting. I have a Zoom call. But Mohit, before you go, and before I go, you've composed a beautiful single which I really, really loved.
कौन सा सर?
आपने अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले एक सिंगल निकाला था आपका ओरिजिनल कॉम्पोजिशन. दो लाइन गाना
को सर मेरे को बिल्कुल याद नहीं होंगे लिरिक्स. I'm the worst at remembering lyrics.
अच्छा, नो प्रॉब्लम. सीख जाओ. अपने खुद के गाने तो याद रखो. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बाकी के गाने बस ठीक है भूल जाना, बट अपने खुद के गाने कभी मत भूलना लिरिक्स. बिकॉज इफ यू वुडंट रिमेंबर देन नोबडी विल.
इस सरज़मीं के बसने वालों संग रहो तुम साथ चलो. ऐसे कुछ था.
नहीं, मैं ये गाने की बात नहीं कर रहा था. दिस इज आल्सो ब्यूटीफुल, बट वो दूसरा गाना जो which was a love song which you wrote.
वो तो फिर होगा गिटार के साथ. और आपके पास अभी फिर टाइम कम है. अगर आप इजाजत दें मुझे तो मैं जरूर गा सकूंगा.
आप पियानो पे गा लो थोड़ा. सजेस्ट मल्टी इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट.
मगर शायद ये था. Wow. Thank working
No
out.
problem, Mohit, no problem. I'm sorry, I pulled you in.
You put me on the spot, sir.
No problem, Mohit, no problem.
If you
Listen,
give me
Mohit.
20 seconds, 20
Yeah.
seconds, I can actually just look at the lyrics.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. I know that there are so many people who are saying, was speaking really highly of you, Mohit. कुछ लोग ये हौसला भी मांग रहे हैं, लेकिन ये
खामोश दिल।
हाँ
अब आ गया, अब नहीं रुकूंगा।
आ जाओ, आ जाओ।
खामोश दिल क्यों था मेरा, देखा तुझे तो गाने लगा, चेहरे कई देखे मगर देखा नहीं तेरे जैसा, था ना पता तो क्यों भरा मैं ढूंढता, तन्हा रहा हूँ मैं रहूंगा यकीन था, तू जिंदगी में इत्तेफाक ना गया, वरना तेरा जहां तो कितना दूर था, मगर शायद मिलना ही 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 था।
Oh, beautiful, beautiful. So beautiful, Mohit. God bless you, really. Inshallah, we meet very, very soon. I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah. You're a great soul. You're a great, you have a very fresh approach to music. I love the way you connect R&B with Indian classical, and it's really fab with those really sick chords. It's pretty cool.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your love, first of all.
No, always,
You're such an
always.
amazing person, sir.
Thank you for spreading so much love in this world through your music. That's awesome. I want to say thank you to all you lovely people. I think मुझे एक idea आ चुकी है. Like, I think I'm going to do a Monday महफिल. Every Monday, I'm going to do a Monday महफिल on Instagram. Hopefully, inshallah. I think I've missed out a lot of amazing artists. They've said, please bring me on. But unfortunately, वक्त की पाबंदी है, time का problem है. But I will be back. We will be back, and I'll keep doing these sessions, bringing some incredible singers, and and spreading more music. Take care, guys. Take care, Mohit. God bless. Bye. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining in, and I'll be back soon.